Hi, welcome back students. We are discussing Introduction to Trigonometry Applied Questions. So today's section I am going to solve 31st one. 1 plus sec a divided by sec a is equal to sin square a divided by 1 minus cos a. Right? So first write down LHS here. LHS is equal to 1 plus sec a divided by sec a. So now this is equal to 1 plus sec a, we can write 1 divided by cos a, and this divided by, here also we have sec a, so 1 divided by cos a. So now in a NR, take cos a as a LCM. So it will become here cos a plus 1 divided by cos a, and this divided by 1 by cos a. So now here cos a plus 1 divided by cos a as it is, and this division I will write in a multiplication, so it will become cos a divided by 1, and now here cos a get cancelled, and remaining is cos a plus 1, so it is our LHS. So now I will consider RHS. RHS is equal to, what is that our RHS? Sin square a divided by 1 minus cos a. Sin square a divided by 1 minus cos a. So now here sin square a we can write 1 minus cos square a, because we know that identity sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, and this divided by 1 minus cos a as it is, and now 1 we can write 1 square, because 1 square value is also 1, and minus cos square a as it is, and this divided by 1 minus cos a. And now here see, it is in the form of a square minus b square, and a square minus b square x form is a minus b, a plus b. So now we got here 1 minus cos a minus b, and a plus b, 1 plus cos a, and this divided by 1 minus cos a as it is. So here 1 minus cos a and 1 minus cos a get cancelled. So remaining here 1 plus cos a. So see here, already we proved LHS, that is cos a plus 1, and here RHS is 1 plus cos a. 1 plus cos a or cos a plus 1, both are same. So here therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Is it clear? You don't want to take RHS, I want to solve by LHS only, it means. So here one more method is there. So that is, here already we proved cos a plus 1, and this one I will rewrite 1 plus cos a. Cos a plus 1 or 1 plus cos a, both are same. And now here I will make multiplication and division by 1 minus cos a. So 1 minus cos a multiplication, and division 1 minus cos a. So now make multiplication, here we got 1 plus cos a, and here 1 minus cos a, this divided by 1 minus cos a. And now here see, it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b, 1 plus cos a, 1 minus cos a plus b, a minus b. So this one we can write a square minus b square, means 1 square minus cos square a. So here 1 square means 1 only, 1 square minus cos square a, this divided by 1 minus cos a, and this is equal 1 minus cos square a, we can write sin square a, because we know that the identity square a plus cos square a is equal to 1 minus cos a as it is, this divided. So it is our RHS. See here. So here is given RHS sin square a divided by 1 minus cos a. So here put sin square a divided by 1 minus cos a, or we can use this method also. Is it clear? Well students, the next problem 32, cosec square a plus 1 divided by cosec square a minus 1 is equal to sec square a plus tan square a. So here the given LHS is equal to cosec square a plus 1 divided by cosec square a minus 1. So using this LHS we want to prove RHS. We know that cosec a is equal to 1 divided by sin a, and here they given cosec square a. So this one we can write 1 divided by sin square a plus 1 as it is, and this divided by, here also we have cosec square a. So this one we can write 1 divided by sin square a and minus 1. And now here in a NR take sin square a as a LCM. So it will become here 1 plus sin square a divided by sin square a, and this whole divided by, in a denominator also take sin square a as a LCM. So here we got 1 minus sin square a divided by sin square a, and now here 1 plus sin square a as it is, and this divided by sin square a as it is, and this whole divided by, we have 1 minus sin square a divided by sin square a. So this division I will write in a multiplication. So it become here sin square a divided by 1 minus sin square a, and now here sin square a get cancelled. So remaining 1 plus sin square a divided by 1 minus sin square a, and here 1 plus sin square a as it is, and this divided by 1 minus sin square a, we can write cos square a, and in the next step this is equal to, write in a separately 1 divided by cos square a plus sin square a divided by cos square a, and now here 1 divided by cos square a, we can write sec square a, and plus sin square a divided by cos square a is tan square a. So this is equal to RHS, hence proved. So see here, so here given RHS is sec square a plus tan square a, and here we proved sec square a plus tan square a, hence proved. Is it clear? Well students, the next problem 33, tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 is equal to sec square theta plus cosec square theta. So first write down here LHS is equal to tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2. So here tan square theta we can write sec square theta minus 1, because we know that identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, right? And plus cot square theta we can write cosec square theta minus 1, because we know that identity 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, and plus 2 as it is. And now here sec square theta as it is plus cosec square theta also as it is, minus 1 become a minus 2, and plus 2 as it is. So now here minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled, remaining sec square theta plus cosec square theta. So this is equal to RHS, hence proved. So see here is a given RHS sec square theta plus cosec square theta, and here we proved sec square theta plus cosec square theta, hence proved. Is it clear? So well students, the next problem is in a bracket 1 minus sin theta, in another bracket sec theta plus tan theta is equal to cos theta. So here the given LHS is equal to 1 minus sin theta, and here sec theta plus tan theta, and now here 1 minus sin theta as it is. Sec theta we can write 1 divided by cos theta plus tan theta we can write sin theta divided by cos theta. Bracket complete. So next step here 1 minus sin theta as it is, and here take cos theta as a LCM. So it become 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta, and now make multiplication. So here we got 1 minus sin theta and 1 plus sin theta, this divided by cos theta. And see here is a 1 minus sin theta and here is a 1 plus sin theta. So it is in the form of a minus b, a plus b. So it is an exponent form of a square minus b square. So now 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta, you can write 1 square minus sin square theta. So 1 square is a 1 minus sin square theta divided by cos theta as it is. So this is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, we can write cos square theta, because we know that the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, cos theta as it is. And now here in a cos square 1 cos, and this cos get cancelled, remaining cos theta. So it is our RHS. So see here. So here is a given RHS is cos theta, and here we proved cos theta, hence proved. Is it clear? The next problem, given sin a plus b is equal to root 3 by 2 and sin a plus c is equal to sin b and sin a is equal to 1 by 2, find the value of sin a b minus c. So here first write down given that. So what they given here, sin b plus c is equal to root 3 by 2, and here sin b plus c as it is. This root 3 by 2 we can write a sin 60, because we know that the value of sin 60 is a root 3 by 2, and both sides sin get cancelled, remaining b plus c is equal to 60 degree. So call this equation 1. And here another one they given here, sin a plus c is equal to sin b. So here sin get cancelled, we got here a plus c is equal to b. Call this equation 2. And here another one they given, sin a is equal to 1 by 2. So here sin a is equal to, we can write sin 30 degree, because the sin 30 value is 1 by 2, and both sides sin get cancelled. So this implies we got a is equal to 30 degree. So call this equation 3. And now here a plus b plus c is equal to, so see here we have b plus c is equal to 60. So write down here 60 degree plus a we have 30 degree. So write down here reason from equation 1 and 3. And now here a plus b plus c is equal to 60 plus 30 is 90. In equation 2, a plus c is equal to b. So we use here. So a plus c is a b. Here b plus b is equal to 90 degree. Then b plus b is a 2b is equal to 90 degree. So this implies b is equal to 45. And here we have a plus c is equal to b, right? So a is 30 degree plus c we don't know, right, as it is. So this is equal to b is 45. Then c is equal to 45 minus 30. This is equal to 15. And here we got c is equal to 15. And here we want to find out sine a plus b minus c. So this is equal to sine a is 30 plus b is 45 minus c is 15. Already we find out this value. So now here sine is equal to 30 plus 45 is 75 minus 15. So this is equal to sine 75 minus 15 is 60. And now here the sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. So hence here therefore sine a plus b minus c is equal to root 3 by 2. Hence proved. Is it clear?